Hi Sejal, welcome to the Superhuman series of Sneha Foundation. You are our second speaker and we are glad to have you. Welcome, and we will be having a small question and answer session with you. I hope you're ready.
Yes, Shraddha, please shoot.
Yeah, okay. So tell the viewers a little bit about yourself so that before going ahead, they know something about you, maybe family, background, profession.
I'm Sejal Wagware. I live in Pune. Basically, I belong to a small town called name as Parli Vajna, and here I live with my 13-year-old daughter Kia Wagmare and Sumit Wagmare, my husband. And as a profession, I work as an social media consultant and founder. And for even Sneh, I do all this social media stuff regarding like all the social media updates or the posts are done by me and handled by me.
All right, great. Going ahead, I would like to take you back to your first day when you actually came to SNE, and I would like to know about how and when did you come across SNE Foundation, and what made you give it a try at volunteering here.
Okay. Yeah, it was like we had this small group named as Happy Birthday Bharat, and we used to celebrate birthdays of underprivileged kids. We used to go to that community and take cake, like small stuff like say t-shirts or sleepers, chappals for them.
Okay.
And it was a monthly event for us.
Right.
So Dr. Pramila, which is also a part of SNE. So I wasn't aware of that she's a part of any NGO or anything like this.
Yeah.
So she suggested about SNE, and we at the one event with Kala Khadak Kids community.
Okay.
We went to that community and celebrated birthday. And later on, I also had a word with Sarang and was very much interested in volunteering regarding any of the work which was like I asked Sarang that how can I join and how what is the procedure and all.
Yeah.
And thus I've been part of the SNE since then.
Right. So
It's
I think
wonderful.
yeah, thank you. I think it's been 3 to 4 years that you've been associated with SNE, and you've been a very, very active volunteer. In these 3 to 4 years, what have been your fondest memories, like events, activities, some of the team building activities? So, whatever you can remember of at the moment, if you can share it with us.
See, like you, as you already said, that 4 or 5 years having an connection with an institute is really something that you have loads and loads of memories that you can cherish forever.
Yeah.
So, like we, regarding SNE, we used to go on rallies for social causes. Then we had so many events. Like there was basically I look around Kalewadi preschool.
Yeah.
We used to have rallies like cleanliness and what we say, like how to have hygienic stuff in your house, so many stuff like
rallies,
that.
Yeah.
So all these memories make me awareness rally. Also, like in during the school hours, also there were so many events. So yeah, I've been part of them, those events. It was always fun.
Yeah. I can definitely, tell the viewers, especially about you, that whenever Sejal is there in any of the events or activities, her aura, her presence, her personality, it just, everything just smiles on its way, and everything gets highlighted and lightened just with her presence. So I think it's a wonderful feeling when you are around, and when you are a part of any of the activities at SNE. Going ahead, you have been, as you said, you've been.
Add something. See, it is always a two-way communication. It's always mutual. You get that happiness, you get that positivity because of the like people around, the kids around. It is always mutual.
Correct.
So the contribution has been the way that I have always got a very positive vibes from Sneh and the team.
Right.
So it's a natural.
Okay, great. So, as you said, you've been part of a lot of activities. What message would you give to the new volunteers who would like to contribute to Sneha Foundation or any other social cause for that matter? What would be your message, or what would be your takeaway for those volunteers who want to join us newly?
So basically, see, we are dealing with lots many people here who are associated with an institute or a NGO like SNE. So the transparency and the trust is the major aspect you look for.
Yeah.
Which I have like definitely got a very nice feedback for SNE, that the transparency and the similarly I want the new volunteers to like come see how we work, and they can like definitely choose their own ways of dedicating or contributing time and their work for SNE.
Okay. What is that thing that motivates you to consistently give your best and consistently be a part of any of the initiatives, whether it is SNE or any other social cause? I think you are also a part of other social activities or cultural activities in your society or otherwise in your family and so on. So how do you get motivated to consistently be active on all those fronts? What is that secret, which we also can maybe say take from you?
Here something I'm like want to add that Shraddha, you people like you, Sarang, Abhishek, Suchita ma'am, Bora sir, seriously, you guys have been a very core reason for my dedication and the way I like do things, because you keep on motivating me. You are the inspiration.
Okay.
This seriously.
Right.
So yeah, play has changed my life in a very good way. So because of play, like I have seen so many aspects of life in a very different way, in a good way, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Any final takeaway message that you would like to give to our viewers, volunteers, donors, whoever is watching this video?
Regarding life, I want to tell them that live the moment. And regarding SNE, I want to tell them that just like be part of it and know it well. You'll love it, and you'll feel like contributing your time to it.
Okay, great, Sejal. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing all your thoughts and feelings about SNE Foundation and also motivating our volunteers, new volunteers, or maybe the ones who are existing. So I think it's a matter of motivation, consistency. So these things really encourage all of us to work harder for the society and give back to the society in a way that we can. So I think it's people like you who are very important to any of the organizations like us, and we are very 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 thankful to all the volunteers associated with us, and you've been the core volunteer, one of the core volunteers, and without you I cannot imagine the complete volunteering setup that we have. So thank you so much for all your little to big contributions that you have made till now, and we hope to see you till eternity, till the time Sneha is there in this world. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Shraddha. Bye.